Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. And what I wanted to discuss today, I wanted to discuss about the shame and the guilt, the lower vibrations and the frequencies which are stopping you from healing, from connecting back to your divine self, from remembering your divine self, from remembering how divine you are, that you are already whole and complete, that there is nothing wrong with you, that you do not have to compete, you do not have to blame yourself for anything, that you are deserving of everything the way you are, that the voice in your head which tells you that you are not deserving or you cannot have this sorry, or you cannot have that, is not your voice. See that voice as a voice of demon. If you know whatever happened to you, with all due respect and with all the compassion from my heart, okay, I feel you, I see you, but do not make those incidences or scenarios or what happened to you your cage. Do not make that your cage. Do not make that as your reality. Do not accept that as your reality, as who you are, as a soul, as a woman. Do not go into this revenge, rivalry, shame, guilt, competition mode. Remember yourself. And how you can remember yourself? By observing your thoughts, observing what is happening in you, rather than just thinking that this thought is me. Like, if your thought is telling you that I am stupid, I cannot have this, I am not beautiful, I'm not good, I'm not smart, I'm not intelligent, I'm not this, I'm not that, see that thought as a radio which is playing in your mind, and you are the one who's listening to the radio. So if you are the one who's listening to the radio, then the voice inside the radio is not yours. The radio is not you. See that radio outside of yourself. Okay, the moment you will see the radio outside of yourself, you will be able to differentiate between your thoughts. Your mind will be able to differentiate between your thoughts and your observing mind. So every time any negative thoughts is rising in you, see that thought as a radio, that that thought is playing on that radio. So if you are the one who's listening to the radio, you can always switch the you can always switch the channel, you can always change the channel, or you might choose to listen to it just to think, okay, this is interesting, this is a new perspective. I'm so grateful that you gave me all these information. Now the choice is yours, the choice is yours, that you want to believe that that information is the ultimate truth, or you want to use that or if you want to use that information in your favor for your growth. Okay, now you are like, okay, I have this information, now what do I want to do with it? Do I want to make this information my truth, or I want to use this information in my favor? That, okay, now I wasn't aware about this negative thought that I had. I was unaware, and I was living my life with unconscious thought which revealed itself to me. I was never this. It was just a negative thought inside me, living inside me. Now I am aware of you. Thank you so much for telling me, for presenting yourself, for revealing yourself to me. But now I'm here telling you that this is not my truth. I am not this person anymore. I'm not this. Okay? and you can choose that to heal yourself rather than going into the depression or overthinking or thinking that this is me, because overthinking also happens when you do not have the clarity. Overthinking is actually not a overthinking. Overthinking happens when you have a lot of brain fog, where you are not able to see the clear picture, and you do not have the clarity, you do not have the grounding. That's where overthinking happens. And if you will start to listen to your overthinking, which society says that it is a overthinking, it is bad. No, it can heal you also if you will just start to observe yourself. Like, you are the one listening to the radio is playing. Rather than switching it, first listen to it. And when you are enough strong or grounded in yourself, you can switch the channel, or the channel will disappear. It will not play. Okay? So all these lower frequencies and vibrations are just there to actually, you can use all these things to heal yourself rather than giving yourself in these things, thinking that this is me and feeling sorry and bad and victimized about yourself. You can use all these things in your favor. You can turn any negativity into positivity. You know that this negativity wanted me to break, this negativity wanted me to just lose myself, to forget how divine I am, to forget how divine I am, how special I am. Okay, but I am not gonna do that. I'm gonna listen to you. Okay, and I will listen to you until you feel that you are done, and then I'm gonna turn this, I'm gonna transform this. Okay, I'm gonna use this in my favor for my healing. So as a woman, whatever happened to you, whatever happened to you, okay, if you are holding on to the frequency of shame and guilt and self blaming, thinking that you are not good enough, unworthy, revenge, anger, resentment, being jealous of others, competitive, not thinking that you are good enough, trying to trying to dim others' light. You don't have to do any of these things. And I'm only and only talking to the women who are ready to work on themselves. I do not want to, or I'm done talking to those women who just want to feed on my light, but they never want to make any changes in themselves. I just cannot do that anymore. I'm only and only available for the women who are ready to take responsibility and accountability for their own healing and for their own growth. So when you are in these lower vibrational frequencies, where you are feeling the shame, the guilt, the shame and the anger and all the voices which are not yours, those voices are not yours. See those voices as a demon on radio playing. Okay, those voices are of the demons playing on the radio station, and those voices are telling you that, and that demon which is playing in the radio telling you that you are these things happen to you, that's why you are this, that's why you are weak, that's why you are not deserving of this, that's why you are not good, that's why you are ugly, that's why you are bad, that's why you are undeserving, because you are too broken. That's why you have to shield yourself. That's why you have to harden yourself. That's why, see how people are happy. You have to feel sorry for yourself. You have to feel bad for yourself. See how they are happy. They don't care about you. Nobody cares about you. World is a bad, unsafe place. People were bad. Only those type of people exist. There are no good people. There are no one. There are no divinity. There are no goodness. Everyone is bad. Everyone is dirty. Everyone wants to feed on your light and energy. Everyone wants to use you. Everyone wants to use your heart. Everyone wants to use and throw you. People are not good, people are bad. So see those thoughts as the demon who are telling you all these things. And the moment you will start to see your thoughts and observe your thoughts like you are an observer, you will start to realize that, oh my god, these thoughts are not mine. These thoughts are from the demon. Okay, these thoughts are of those people who did those things to me in the first place. These thoughts are their insecurity, their darkness, which they wanted me to believe in. Let's say छोटे बच्चे का एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं. ओके, देयर इज़ अ चाइल्ड. ओके, एंड उसने बहुत सुंदर सा एक ड्राइंग बनाया है एंड वो उस ड्राइंग को अपने पेरेंट्स को दिखा रहा है एंड पेरेंट्स उस ड्राइंग को देखते नहीं रिजेक्ट कर देते हैं और बोलते हैं कि आर यू स्टूपिड, यू आर शोइंग मी दिस ड्राइंग, वाई यू आर शोइंग दिस टू मी, डोंट यू सी दैट आई एम बिजी, you should have understood, you should have been more mature. And the child will start to think, I am unworthy, I am the one who's causing the problem, I should not, I don't deserve to be seen, my heart do not deserve to be seen, my love is not received, I'm stupid, I'm bad, I'm unworthy. Okay, there is no place in this world for my love to be received, for my heart to be received. There is no place in this world for me to be seen. Now I will never do this again. Now I will never do this again. So that child will create a wall around her heart and she will start to feel that, and she will start to behave in a way which will keep her safe, because she feels that if she will open her heart, if she allows herself to be seen, if she if she is showing or expressing the love, the vulnerability, so the child started to feel that she needs to disconnect from her heart. She needs to create these walls around her heart, okay, because her love is not received, she is not deserving of it. In order to be safe, she should not behave like this. This is kiddish, bad, immature. So like that, those thoughts, those reactions were not. And when you will grow up, when you will start to see the truth, when it is safe for your nervous system to see it, because your nervous system have to feel safe to see these truth, because that child self, she survived by blaming herself, that if she is bad, then parents are good, if she is bad, then she can fix it, if she is bad, then she is safe. Okay, if she is blaming the other person, then she have to see the truth, she have to face the reality, she have to face the truth. So in order to be safe, it was safe for the child to blame herself rather than the other person, rather than seeing the truth, because until and unless she is not seeing the truth and accepting the truth, एक तो ये vowels में ना I always struggle, but I am healing it. So until and unless she is ready to see the truth, she will always blame herself, and she will always keep the walls up, and she will always be trapped in this shame and guilt frequencies. Because as a child, it was safe for that child to blame herself, not the other person, because अगर उस टाइम पे उसने दूसरे लोगों को blame किया होता तो उसे सच देखना पड़ता, उसे grow up होना पड़ता, उसे ये सच accept करना पड़ता कि this is not gonna happen, they are not gonna change, and this is the reality. She have to take the responsibility. But this was painful for that child, so her brain started to make her believe that you are the stupid one, there is something wrong with you, they are the adults, Adults are never wrong. So if they are not wrong, you can change yourself, you can fix them. Okay. But whenever your nervous system will start to feel safe to see the truth, कि I was not wrong. It was not my belief. It was not my thought. It was not the fault of my heart. It was not the fault of my gift. It was not the fault of my love. It was not the fault of my compassion. I was not the problem. They were the problem. You will have to accept that they are not gonna change. You might have to let go of them. You might have to distance yourself from them. ओके सो मेरा ये सब बताने का मतलब ये है कि when you will see that these demons which are living inside of you as the lower frequencies are actually not yours. They are placed by those people who are living with these demons every day, with these voices, with their voices. These demons are feeding on them. These demons wants them to behave like that, and they are surrendering to them. And they want you also to, and the moment this demon sees the light in front of them, they want to dim the light of the other person also. They want you to also believe that how you are not deserving of the light, of the love. If I am broken, you should also be. So मेरा ये सब बताने का मतलब ये है कि आप अपने जितने भी लोअर वाइब्रेशंस हैं, फ्रिक्वेंसीज हैं जो आपके अंदर एज अ डीमन रह रहे हैं, ओके, उनको सुनिए, लिसन टू देम, डू नॉट इग्नोर देम, डू नॉट सप्रेस देम, बिकॉज जितना आप सप्रेस करोगे ना, ऑब्वियसली वो उतना बढ़ेगा. उनको ये पावर मिलेगा कि शी इज स्कैर्ड ऑफ मी. Okay, I have the power over her. So you are telling your demons, the shame have power over me, the guilt have power over me, the self-hatred have power over me, okay, the self-blaming have a power over me. ऐसे ही बहुत सारी चीज़ें आप अपने demon को बोल रहे हैं कि you have a power over me and I'm scared of facing you. So what will happen? The demon will grow more bigger and wider, and it will try to swallow you. Okay, until you show the courage to see the truth. हम courage को हमेशा ऐसे देखते हैं ना कि I will fight, but courage is also accepting the truth and seeing the truth as it is, not denying it, not running away from it, not thinking that this does not exist. Okay, so see those things as a demon inside you, okay, or around your ears, and whenever those demons starts to shout as shame, as guilt, as fear, as self-hatred, as rejection, as criticism, as competition, as telling you that you are not deserving, not worthy, people are bad, everything is bad, universe is bad, earth is bad, there is nothing good for you, this happened to you, and this is the only reality that you have about yourself, and this is the only thing that you are not smart, you are not powerful, you do not have any power, you are stupid, you will end up alone because so much bad happened to you, you are a victim. See, people are bad, they did so much wrong to you, how bad they are, nobody came to save you, they are all bad, disgusting, everyone is bad. Allow her to speak up or him to speak up and tell you all these things. Switch on the radio button, do not mute it, do not lower the volume, raise the volume, let the demon talk. And just sit there like a listener, observer. Listen to that radio. वो एक बार बोलेंगे, दो बार बोलेगा, तीन बार बोलेगा, चार बार बोलेगा, एंड धीरे धीरे उसको ये रियलाइज होगा दैट यू आर जस्ट लिसनिंग, कि आप उसकी बातों को बिलीव नहीं कर रहे हो, आप बस सुन रहे हो, आप बस ऑब्जर्व कर रहे हो, आप उसे अपनी पावर नहीं दे रहे हो, आप एंग्शियस फील नहीं कर रहे हो, आप अनवर्दी फील नहीं कर रहे हो, अब आप बस ऑब्जर्व कर रहे हो, देन दैट डीमन विल बी लाइक ओके, अभी इसको कोई फ़र्क ही नहीं पड़ रहा है, मैंने इतना बोला, मैंने इतना सब चीज़ें बोल दिया, अभी ये बस ये चुपचाप बैठी हुई है, ये बस ऑब्जर्व कर रही है, तो अब मेरा काम क्या है यहाँ पे? अब मैं वहाँ पे जाऊँगा जहाँ पे मेरा काम है, अब मैं उन लोगों के आसपास रहूँगा जो जहाँ से मुझे फूड मिल सकता है, सॉरी, जो लोग मेरी बातें सुनेंगे, जो लोग मेरी बातें सुन के एक्ट करेंगे, जो लोग मेरी बातें सुन के एक्शन लेंगे, जो लोग मेरी बातों को सच मानेंगे, जिन लोगों को मैं सच लगूंगा या लगूंगी, they will fight. I will tell them this is this, this is that. They will take action, they will fight. They will make choices of their life based on me. I will be the powerful one. I will be the one who will control their life, their actions, their choices. And when they fail, I will make them believe that it is the other person who's wrong because this is what you deserve. Everyone is bad. So the moment you will start to see your lower vibrational emotions and feelings and thoughts as this, it will lose the power. You will start to believe whatever happened to me was actually, I don't have to feel ashamed of it. I don't have to feel bad about it. I don't have to hide myself because of it. I don't have to suppress myself. I don't have to dim my light. It was never about me. It was never about that I was deserving of that. It was about them being hurt, broken, and when they saw the light, they wanted to dim the light. And now they failed because now you are realizing, you are awakening to the truth. And you will start to feel sorry, not in a bad sense, but in a compassionate sense. It will come after a time, but it will not come initially. You will start to feel that they, in order to hurt me, in order to make me believe about all those false narratives, in order to break me, how much they were hurting. What are their thought process every day? How are they living? How are they living? In which kind of fear they are living? Their life is more miserable than mine. I do not have to feel that they are happy, or by making me suffer they are happy and they broke me. I can detach myself from them by realizing that they are more broken. In order to break someone, you have to be more broken. Because if you are love, you will never want to do any horrible thing to anyone. You will always want the other person to also shine. But if you are the dark, if you are surrendering, if you have surrendered yourself to those demons, those voices, just think about it कि किस टाइप के हॉरर के साथ वो लोग जी रहे हैं, कि किस टाइप के वॉइसेस उनके हेड में 24/7 चलते रहते हैं, कि जब वो सुबह उठते हैं तो उनके दिमाग में क्या हॉरर चलता है, क्या वॉइसेस चलते हैं, कि वो अपने आप को कितना सेल्फ हेट करते हैं, कि उन्हें थोड़ा सा भी अच्छा फील करने के लिए किसी के साथ ऐसा करना पड़ा. So this will help you to bring your power back to yourself. You will feel more powerful. People who did wrong will lose their power, will lose their grip, because now you are not, आप अब जो उन्होंने आपको जैसा फील कराना चाहा like broke or shame, not deserving of love, bad for because of their actions, their act, their words, their behaviors. Okay, now you are not making those narratives, those things what they tried to do to you as your reality. Now you are telling yourself that I am not this broken person, I am not ugly, I am not bad, I will not be ashamed of my body, I will not be ashamed of myself, I will not be ashamed of anything that happened to me, and of anything that they made me feel and they told me. I take my power back because I am not those things. They are these things. They are those stuff. They are those things. Right? So yeah, I feel this helps you to lose the grip. This helps you, not you. They will lose their grip on you because now you are taking your power back to yourself, to your center, and telling yourself that I'm not gonna think anymore that I'm not smart, ugly, bad, not beautiful. My life, I have I have no mind of my own. I am stupid one. I cannot do anything. I'm this. I'm that. I'm. I was never these things. These voices were never mine. These voices were their voices. And they wanted me to believe in it because maybe they saw my light. They were scared of it. And if they are living with these horrible demons, these horrible ghosts, then they are in much worse place. And with all my love and compassion, I release them. I hope that one day they find their own light. I hope that one day they find their way back to love. I hope that one day universe make them believe that they are already whole and they find their way back to wholeness. And you will start to feel not that angry, 1 minute. And you will start to feel not that angry, irritated, agitated, and triggered by those people slowly and gradually. Because now you are not giving them any power to control your thoughts, your mind, and your energy. And you are not giving them power to make you believe that how they are behaving and whatever they are saying is your truth, is your reality. Because now you know that you are deserving of much better than this. And this is not about me. Their reaction, action, words, narratives, behavior, whatever they are doing, did, is not about me, was never about me. So I don't have to give my power to their action, their words, their jealousy, their reactions, their anything. Because somewhere, if they're seeing your light, their demon will want you to all कैसे बताऊं, if there is someone who is living with all these demons, and if they see your light, okay, and your light is not protected, your light is like, you just are not aware of your own light. They can see it, they can feel it, they feel that they can use your light, and they can pull you down into their frequency, into their doubt, into their drama, into their chaos. They will sit with you, they will suck your light, they will pull your light by telling their drama, their limiting beliefs, not giving you the attention, not giving you the love you deserve, not making you feel that you are deserving of love, attention, good behavior. And they will tell you all about their worries and everything, but they will not treat you with the equal respect and love. That's how they are using your light, pulling your light, okay? And they will end up feeling good and you will end up feeling bad. You will feel that you will feel exhausted because you leaked your light. There were no boundaries. they did not give you anything in return. Okay, they only and only gave you their doubt, worries, lower frequency vibrations, belief and demons, their voices, and doubts and worry and self hatred. And somewhere you will start to feel that these are mine. You will start to doubt yourself, you will start to hate yourself, you will start to worry, you will start to uh, you know not be that good how you used to be in your day to day life. You will start to feel drained and bad, and they will start to rise. They will start to feel good. They will start to feel amazing. That's how they use your light. Okay, that's how they use your light. I understood this. So, whenever you are trying to uplift someone, always see if they are ready to receive it. Because if they are not, they will try to pull you back into their demons. They will want you to believe that how you are stupid, how your beliefs are stupid, how you are an idiot to believe in all these things, how you are not seeing the harsh truth, the right thing, how you are not able to believe in the misery and pain and sufferings. Because I used to do that a lot, and I always used to feel that why do I feel so drained after that? Why I do not feel good? Because I was pouring myself, my light into the onto the यही होता है ना empty cup, and I was not realizing that they are not ready to receive it. They're not the containers, and I'm just explaining myself because I want to seek validation, attention, because I feel that I'm not whole and complete. I need it from someone else. And when you will discuss these things with the person who's already whole now, you will feel uplifted that how amazing I am. But if not, there will not be energy balance. You will end up leaking yourself, and they will end up doing holes in your light, in your energetic field, by their negativity, their demons, their pain and suffering and sorrows, which they do not want to come out of, which they feel proud of, which they feel that this is my identity who survived so much, and I am the identity of the survivor who endured so much, and pain and suffering is my reality. So every time I will see someone happy, I don't feel good. So I want that. So how can I make that person feel bad about themselves? By telling my pain and sufferings, and by being triggered by their light, and making them feel bad for laughing, joking, believing good about themselves, believing in positivity, believing in love. I will make sure that they stop believing in these things. That's why it is very important to surround yourself with good people. Do not leak your energy to the wrong people. Do not give your light to anyone who haven't proved their worth. I used to do that a lot, and trust me, I'm still learning, and I just got aware of this concept. And somewhere I know that subconsciously I will start to make shift. I will not do this. And don't believe in those demons which are always around your ears. Neither suppress them, observe them. And slowly and gradually, you will realize that those demons do not have that kind of power over you. They are just there to make you aware of something. They are just there for your next growth. On this note, from my heart to yours, I love you all, and yeah, I will see you all in my next video. Bye.